Hi, this is Rachel with Fontaine Organizing. I bet that you have been watching a ton of YouTube videos about organizing. You have the Container Store marked in your favorites list, and you've looked at so many images of perfectly organized spaces on Instagram that is all the algorithm will show you anymore. Now, you're quite sure that you can have this perfectly organized space as soon as you find the right technique, the right bin, the right organizing professional to help you, the right shelving unit, the right fancy storage solutions. All of this while you get to keep all of the things that you want to keep. Maybe you'll get rid of one or two items that you haven't used in forever, but it's more likely you'll get to keep everything, right? Do I have you pegged? All right, well, it's time for some tough love. I'm going to give it to you straight. It's not going to happen. If you want that fancy organized space, you're going to have to get rid of things. You're looking for a quick fix where you won't have to have any sacrifice whatsoever. Your life and your organization doesn't work that way. If you want your life and your space to change, you have to make hard decisions about what deserves to be in your life and space. The least of those decisions is which IKEA solution or Container Store solution that you need to purchase. I have yet to work with a client who wasn't holding on to things that they don't use, enjoy, or love. There are always things that can be discarded. I also have things that could be discarded. It's true for most organizers. However, the majority of people who are constantly looking for the right solution have at least two times more than will comfortably fit in the space. Yes, that's right. Twice as much as will comfortably fit in your space. Adding containers and storage solutions to a space does not solve your organization problem. It takes up more space, not less. If you start out with way too much and then you add more, you're left with more than too much. A space that's too full, even if it's organized, even if your things are stored together in an organized manner, it's still going to be crowded. You'll still find yourself continuing to be stressed, and it just won't make you happy. The aesthetically pleasing images that you're looking at, that you're chasing after, they're not aesthetically pleasing because everything is organized. They're aesthetically pleasing because there's barely anything in that space. The next time one of those images comes up on your phone or your computer, I want you to look carefully. Don't look at how the images make you feel. I don't want you to think about that. I want you to look at what is not in that space. You will find that they are sparsely populated with just a few items, and it's the blank space that makes you feel so good. You can have that too, but you're limited on what you can keep. If you insist on keeping everything that you currently have, you are going to get the result that you currently have. If you want something different, you have to make different choices, and that means letting things go. It's important to me that I tell people the truth. They need to hear the truth about their organization, even if that truth is upsetting. You need to dig a little deeper as you fantasize about what your space can be. I encourage you to think hard about what you're willing to make changes about how you're willing to make changes and what will be required to reach your organization goals. The answer may be, I don't want to get rid of anything, and that's fine. But don't lie to yourself and think that you can have these beautifully organized spaces without some sacrifice. If you want that clean and calm space, then yes, you need to get rid of things.